So here's my Canva account. Now, Canva, you can just pick out, create a design. You've got all these different things, presentation, Instagram post, all of them. I think that I just found I'm not even sure if I found a Facebook video, but I'm pretty sure I just used Instagram post. And what I done was just had this photo. So I done that photo. Now you can just go back. That was moved from there accidentally. But I've got a box here that I've so here it is. So I that's it's a bit weird. But regardless, I won't let that stop me. I'll just go into my post here and I'll now maybe I won't. I was hoping to copy that. So doesn't matter. So say I've got that. Now then I'll just get out of this one. You can offers. So that's probably close to what I've got on there. Rob Hardy, affiliate marketer, specialising in high ticket. So I've put that as two different ones, but I might still do that. Let me just show you how I've done that. So I'll leave the first one as is. Now, of course, you don't have to get rid of Bobby Taylor Finn. So I'm an affiliate marketer. So then you might do this one. Film Fest, maybe. So say that's really big. So you can just bring it down by using this this little thing here. Bring the size of the font down. Now the only reason I use this all the time is because I changed my profile a fair bit. I don't need to I just like to have the opportunity to change it to do whatever I want really. So that's now I've got that on there. Like I've got Rob Hardy, affiliate marketer. You can put whatever you want. I am an affiliate marketer. So that's fine. You can do that. But basically, all I'd done was pick out all these little different. So this one's pro. You got to pay for that. Free. You can pick any of those, and you can pay for it. Doesn't matter. It's up to you. All the ones with a pro beside it, they've got to be paid for. But there's millions, so you can pick out whatever you want. This is all done with just free ones. Now, I didn't use that font before. I picked one that was kind of a little bit easier looking. This is all in caps. But basically, it doesn't matter which one you use. They all, it's got to be pleasing you virtually. So I'm just going to bring that down a little bit and bring this one down a little bit. I better bring that down actually, because I think when you actually post it, so it cuts off the top of my head, and you don't want to cover any of it with that. So that's where we're kind of we just want to keep it a little bit separate. So I can cut off the top of my head, but it doesn't cut that off. So then all it is downloading, download it, save it somewhere where you want to save it to, of course. And I just want it to go to photos so I can save it. So basically, that's the photo. Now you can save it wherever you want. This is just my Facebook post, so I'll what is it, profile pic. But yeah, I've done this just so it gives you a bit of an idea. You can play around with it and change it as many times as you want. So I've got that saved. I know where it's saved. So I go to my Facebook, and now if I just hit my cover photo and I select a photo, which is none of these, sorry, photo albums. No, they're on albums. Where am I going here? Upload a photo, sorry. So I just go to where I had that saved, and so I can just upload that photo. It's that simple, it really is. And you can do this a dozen times to get it right. And it may be in the wrong spot. You can move this down and then see what I lose here, or I lost that little bit of image. So you've got to go back. Now it'll be fine for my head, because I don't think it'll save it. It'll go up a little bit when you actually save it. So, but you can go back in and change it again. So this needs to be more compacted into that section. This one needs to come up a little bit, just in case we do have to come down. And it's that simple. I'm going to cancel this because I don't want it. You can see I probably moved this, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 times. And I could have made this, or just put affiliate marketer. Change that one to a better font. Okay. So let me copy that and see if I can put it into this other font. I've got rid of that one. And you get really good at this too if you're using it a bit. Like I've got really quick. Well, you wouldn't think so, but I am pretty quick at kind of doing this. And get rid of Bobby Taylor Finn. Whoops. You can go back. So now I want this to be, like that. And put it over there, affiliate marketer there. Now I'll just download that and we'll see how it looks. So I'll save that in the same spot. So we'll to save. So here we go. So I'll upload that one to the video and we'll see how it looks. Sorry, this is taking a little bit longer than I anticipated, but doesn't matter. It's kind of to teach you the basics of using it. Canva's a really easy thing to use. You can go to Fiverr and get these done for you, but you know, using Canva and learning how to use Canva, you'll actually be able to go in and change this photo, then make other photos for different kind of things. So that's still there. So yeah, that would work, you know. And here's my links below. So you want to go in and edit profile, and not this profile, it's actually this part of the profile, and put some links in. Now I've got a link to my main, one of my main promotions. This one's another like information but promo, and here's my group. So you know, you can put 3 in there, and they can all be promos. It doesn't matter. So that's kind of where it is. You know, I'm going to just cancel it again and leave mine like that. Now I've changed that twice already, once or twice. I'm pretty sure I've changed it twice so that this will be, you know, like I just update it and change it around a little bit, change the photos. I just like this photo, that's all. It's only my personal thing. Anyway, I hope this helps you, and just you know, like let me know if you've got anything out of this. I'd really like to know, because I'm not going to edit it and do anything. I'm just going to basically share it with you. Okay, talk to you later.